right, proceed to bay 4. Keep straight, align with the bay. Stop here, perfect alignment. All right, starting the quality sampling. Got a good representative sample here. We'll check sugar content and quality. Final rinsing. Freshwater sprays remove remaining soil.
Looks like it's working perfectly.
Good. Processing can continue.
That should be enough for the sugar content test.
All right, sealing it now.
The purity levels look consistent on line 3.
Yes, the automated sorting is working perfectly.
Powerful washing flumes thoroughly clean every sugar beet using continuously circulating water. Rotating cleaning drums remove loose dirt, leaves, and plant debris from the sugar beets.
Large rotary dryers reduce the moisture content of the beet pulp.
All right, starting the press cycle. Pressure's building, watch the flow. Good, it's squeezing out the solution. All right, starting the press cycle. Pressure's building, watch the flow. Good, it's squeezing out the solution.
In the pulp drying stage, large rotary dryers reduce the moisture content of the beet pulp. The pulp tumbles through the rotating drums, emerging as a valuable dry co-product. Here, dried beet pulp is stored for use as livestock feed. The wet pulp is mixed and stored in these large tanks. It is then dried and stored in bulk.
Juice is flowing into the screens. Looks like the filters are catching the solids. Pressure is holding steady.
In the heating stage, raw juice is warmed by heat exchangers before purification. This process ensures efficient extraction and purity in the final product.
In sugar processing, milk of lime is added to remove impurities. The milk of lime reacts with the sugar juice, clarifying it. Impurities settle out, leaving purified sugar juice.
Scene 27, carbon dioxide injection. Carbon dioxide gas reacts with the lime, forming calcium carbonate particles that trap impurities. In sugar production, clarification removes impurities from the raw juice. Large tanks allow the juice to settle, with impurities sinking to the bottom. This leaves a clear liquid ready for further processing. Pressure filters remove the calcium carbonate sludge from the clarified juice. The sludge settles while the clear juice is collected in a separate tank. This ensures a pure product for further processing.
Feed is steady, evaporation is active. Vapor from the first effect is heating the second. Energy is being conserved.
The extracted sugar juice passes through fine filters to remove suspended solids. Carbon dioxide gas reacts with the lime, forming calcium carbonate particles that trap impurities. Multiple evaporators remove large amounts of water while conserving energy. The juice gradually becomes a concentrated sugar syrup known as thick juice. The juice gradually becomes a concentrated sugar syrup known as thick juice. Large sugar particles are returned for controlled reprocessing when necessary.
Vial 3B is ready for the sucrose analysis.
Logging it now. Make sure the pH is stable. The throughput on line 4 is dropping.
I see the bottleneck. Rerouting power now.
From the fields to the factory, the journey is complete. The refined sugar is now ready for tables around the world.